So this question is given, and 60 words can be made using all the letters of the word BH, BJO, with or without meaning. If these words are written as in a dictionary, then the 15th word is okay. तो हमें 15th वर्ड फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे कि ये जो आपका बी एच बी जे ओ लिखा हुआ है इसको अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं. तो ये आपका आएगा बी बी एच जे ओ. हमने बी को फिक्स कर लिया, इस बी को फिक्स किया और इसको कितने तरीके से लिख सकते हैं 1 2 3 4. सो 4 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई, दो बार बी आया है, डिवाइड बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल. हो सकता है कि ये वाला बी यहाँ पर आए या ये वाला बी आए, तो हम मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, ये हो जाएगा आपका 24. Again, after B, what will come? H will come. Okay, so H is fixed here. Now B, B, J, O. Now you can arrange all these words, these remaining fours, like 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Why by 2 factorial? Because there are 2 B. There are 2 B. Okay, if you solve, you get the 12. Similarly, fix J here and 4 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 12. After the J, O is coming, so fix O. And now if you add this 24, 12 and 12, 24, 24, 24 is going to be 48. And what we want? We want 15th word. Okay, so it means we have to add two more. So this is O, B, B, S, J. If O is fixed and then if you solve 4 factorial by 2 factorial, it is going to be 60. So we have now to find that. We have to find up to 15th word. What we can do? Let's fix O, B and B. And I fix O and B. Okay, O, B, B. And this is H and J. Now interchange these two. O, B, B, J, H. So this is 1. 48 plus 1, 49, and again plus 1, it is 50. So O, B, B, J, H. This is going to be your 15th word. Okay, I think it is clear to you, and still if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, let's go for the next question. And next question is, you have to find the total number of 3 digits number divisible by 3, which can be formed using the digits 1 3 5 8 if repetition of digit is allowed. Okay, so repetition of digit is allowed. This is given to us. So what we can do, first of all we have to understand that what is the divisibility rule. And divisibility rule is that you are taking 3 digit number. Okay, so whatever number you are making, if sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. So let's, a repetition is allowed. So let's take first 1. So 1, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3 divisible by 3. Take 3, 3 and 3. If you add, you get 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Now take 5, 5 and 5. Similarly, 8, 8 and 8. So all these are divisible by 3. Okay, if you add all these things and divide by 3, so sum is divisible by 3. Okay, now what you can do, this is these are 4 numbers. Now after this you can take 2 1 here. They are all these 3 are 1 and 2 1, and other number you can take 2 1 plus 1 is 2. And if you add 3 here, 3 plus 2 is 5, not divisible by 3. 5 plus 2 not possible, and 8 plus 2 not possible. So with the help of this, if you take any other number here and make the take the help of this 1 1 and other number, that's not possible because sum is not divisible by 3. Now let's take 2 3. So 2 times 3, and 3 and 3 is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7, not divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 we cannot take, we have already taken 3 3s. 5 not possible, and 8 is also not possible. So okay, so this case is not possible. Take the 3 5, 5 and 5, and in this case 5 and 5 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11, not plus 10 plus 3, not 10 plus 5, no, we have taken already. And 10 plus 8, this 8, 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. This is possible. So how many way we can arrange it? We can arrange it in like 3 factorial divide by 5 is coming 2 times by 2, which means 3. Similarly, take 2 times 8. 8 and 8 is going to be 8 and 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Uh, 16 plus 3 is 19. 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 is 21, and that is divisible by 3. So this is also going to be 3. Now you can take 8, 8 and 8. So that's, we have already taken that. Okay. What you can do? Now let's take only 1, 1 and any other number. 1, 3. 1, 3. Okay. Take the 1, 3. 5. 1, 1, 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. So this can be arranged by 3 factorial ways. Now take 1, 3, 8. This can be arranged by 3 factorial ways, and 138. Now you can take 158. Is this possible? 158, 158, not possible, not divisible by 3. Now let's take 358, not possible. And you can take 158. So it is going to be what? Not possible. Can you take any other number? 5. So let's observe this. So 3 factorial means 6, 6, and these are the 4 numbers. Okay, these are the 4 numbers. So if you add, what you will get? 4 and 3, 3 is 6, 6, 4 is 10, 10, 6, 16, 16, 6 is 22. So there are 22 numbers which are divisible by 3, okay? Which are divisible by 3. So in this way you have to solve. First we have taken all the digits once, then two digits are same, and then all the digits are different. In this way we have solved it, okay? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. I have explained in very deep way so that you can understand without any problem, okay? Still you have any problem, any doubts, you can ask me, okay? Now we are taking one more problem, and this is really very fantastic problems, and this type of problem we have already solved in different videos. Now let's take this, and this is problems based on geometry, and we have to solve it, okay? So now try it, okay? So question is given, that is 3, there are 5 points P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 on the line in on the side AB, excluding AAB of a triangle, okay? So let's make the triangle first, and I am saying this is a triangle, hypothetically, okay? This may be anything else. A, B, and C. In AB, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 on the side AB, okay? On the side excluding A and B. So let's suppose I am saying this is the P1, P2, P3, P4, and this is the P5. Now it is also given similarly, there are 6 points on the line BC. How many points? 6 points. So P6, P7, P8, and P11. And on the side BC, and 7 points, and these 7 points are P12, P13, and in so on, and at the end P18. Okay, on CA of the triangles, the number of triangles that can be formed using the points P1, P2, P18, all these, okay? I hope question is completely clear to you. And yesterday we had solved so many problems of the same concept, okay? And I told you that if you want to make a triangle, there is a need of 3 points, and these 3 points should not be collinear, okay? If these points are collinear, then we cannot make the triangle, okay? So these things we have to keep in mind. So there are 18 points. How many points? P1, P2, P3 up to 18 points. So from these 18 points, so total triangles are 18C3. 18C3. 3. But you have to keep in mind that from all these 18C3, this is considered that no points, no more than 2 points are not collinear, okay? But keep in mind that here P1, P2, P5, all these are collinear, these are collinear, and these are collinear. So with the help of all these 5 points, we cannot generate any triangle. In a similar way, with the help of these points which are in BC, so with the help of all the points of only BC, we cannot generate any triangle. In the similar way, you can apply in CA also. So you have to write here 5 C3 minus 7 C3, and at the end you will get 6. How many points? 5 points are there. 6 point. Okay, this is 6 is there, and this is the 7.7C3. Okay, now this is going to be your answer. Okay, and I hope that you can do it. Now you have to do just basic calculation and you get the answer. Okay, so let's solve it. 18C3 is going to be what? It is going to be 18 multiplied by 17 and 16, and 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5 4, and it is going to be 2 6 5 4, and divide by 3 multiplied by 2 minus 7 6 5 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's solve it. So 3 to the 6, and 6 3 ja 18. Okay, now 51 multiplied by 16 minus 10 minus 20 minus 35. Okay, now let's do the calculation of this calculation. And 16, and if you add it, it will be 65. So 1 751. Okay, so 751 are the number of triangles. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you and you understood this concept. And still you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, and in upcoming videos I will be continue in uploading the video of permutation and combination, और इसके साथ ही हम और भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको भी अपलोड करते रहेंगे, और आप देखते रहिएगा। आप हमें कोई भी डाउट्स या कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में उसको लिख सकते हैं, हम उसको भी देख लेंगे। ठीक ना, तो ये आज के लिए इतना ही है। अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में।